Yeah, exactly, Evan. So you can see this road behind me. This is a part of the city's emergency snow route. So that road has been plowed, looks pretty clear. But the road I'm standing on right now is a completely different story. You can see it is just covered in snow. The city says once it hits about an inch of snow is whenever they typically have to plow it before they can salt it. But roads like this that aren't on that route won't be plowed. Right now, the city has 25 trucks out plowing streets as we speak. They're going to be doing it really all night, plowing as much as they can and adding salt in hopes to keep the roads clear for drivers. They say they started preparing Tuesday for today's snow, knowing they need to pre-treat the roads in hopes to keep them clear. Now, they pre-treat with a layer of brine and beet juice, but now they're in that post-storm treatment phase and will be until it's over.
On Tuesday evening and all of Wednesday, we were pre-treating. We put about 350 tons of salt down, but then it just came in too fast, too heavy, and so now we've got to plow it off.
And the city is going to be working around the clock doing that plowing and salting. Again, they're only plowing the roads on their emergency route. So if you have to drive, they recommend that you drive those roads. So right now, they're plowing these streets, putting that salt down in hopes to help for tomorrow morning. If you do get out, we have a list of Oklahoma City's snow route posted on KOCO.com. Reporting in Bricktown, Elise Jones, KOCO 5 News.